Welcome to our animated exploration of Python math, where numbers come alive with endless possibilities. Dive into Python's built-in math functions, from finding the minimum and maximum values to calculating absolute values. Empowering your mathematical endeavors. Discover the vast capabilities of the math module, unleashing the power of square roots, rounding functions, and mathematical constants. Trivia time. Which function in the math module returns the absolute value of a number? A abs, B absolute, C abs at val, D abs num. Access the mathematical constant p with ease, courtesy of Python's math module, unlocking the secrets of circles, spheres, and beyond. Join us on this animated journey through Python math, where numbers become the language of possibility. Let's explore the world of math together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening Python animations and tutorials. Happy calculating!